Good morning, everybody. Usually on a Wednesday we have assembly, but today there is no assembly and most of us are at home. So I thought I would send a song or two for you to dance to and sing to at home. So I thought we'd start with heads, shoulders, knees and toes. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. This time we're going to do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Heads, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay. One more time, but this time we're going to do it quickly. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And this time, even quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Whew. Now, if this was assembly, I would ask you if you wanted one more song. But I've just decided I think you want one more song and then we'll finish. So, we're going to do Galumph. And for all the mummies and daddies and family and friends, you can learn Galumph because it's a fantastic song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Galumph went the little green frog one day. Galumph went the little green frog. Galumph went the little green frog one day, and his eyes went blib blub blub. But we know frogs go tra-di-da-di-da, tra-di-da-di-da, tra-di-da-di-da. We know frogs go tra-di-da-di-da and never go Galumph. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and his eyes went blib blob blub. But we know frogs go tra-di-da-di-da, tra-di-da-di-da, tra-di-da-di-da. We know frogs go tra-di-da-di-da and never go Okay, everybody. Now, our singing has finished. It was a little bit different, but I hope it was okay. Now, I'm going to say goodbye. Hope you all stay safe at home and that you're all being good to the people around you. So, take care, everyone. Bye.